In this new year, you should be doing your makeup yourself. Most of you, before you do your makeup, you do not clean your face. Your makeup to last really well throughout the whole day, and you don't want your makeup to break. Watch this video. You need to clean your face. See, I'm going to clean my face now and show you guys how my face looks after clean. Face looks like gosh. That my face is dirty is the cream that I used before. You understand? That's why it's like this. You need to clean it before you start going with your vitamin C. If you don't have vitamin C, you can just go on with your moisturizer. Do you understand? Use this cinnamon, okay? After applying this product that I just applied now, you see the before, right? Just watch how after applying this product on my face, you see how it's going to look. You see how my face will be shining. It's the Advanced Nail. It's your celebrity luxurious makeup. This is what they use. So go and watch their video. For those of all those makeup artists that normally do a video like the tutorial, you see how they normally prep their face. Like they really prep their face before applying any foundation, because you don't want your foundation, you want it to break, you want it to last. The before, and this is the after doing all this thing. So you can dry it with your fan. You can wait for a little bit so that it will stick to your skin. Type of primer, you can use any one of your choice of primer. Primer will make your foundation to stick. Say, oh, it's not compulsory. It's compulsory. If you do not use primer in your face, just know that maybe you just rub only powder, not foundation. Because if you are using foundation, you must rub primer. Most of you do not know this, so that's why I'm telling you. I have two foundation here called V Beauty. I really love this particular foundation. Okay, I'll be using the lighter shade of this V Beauty. I want to spray my beauty blend, my setting spray. Okay, after spraying it with your setting spray, then you go on applying your foundation, blending your foundation. It will blend. That one that when you are blending, you'll be dapping like this, you'll be using force. No, see, just watch now. See how I am blending. Like, did you see? Oh my god, see foundation now. Are you seeing this foundation? See this and see this. Blending. This is what my foundation looks like. Tell me if you are not loving this face. Like, just tell me that you are not loving how blend this foundation look. My concealer is from Beauty by AD. And when you are blending, don't blend this concealer to this place, okay? Don't blend it to that place. You just blend it to this place like this. You just blend. Now I'll just be putting it in this area. Forehead, you use darker shade. Most of your makeup, you see that the head is lighter. The head is lighter because you didn't use dark foundation. Like, you didn't use the dark foundation or dark concealer just to blend all those areas. You want to go on with your palette, like your darker shade of your palette. Okay, you just use it to blend this area. Like, I'm not be using the brighter side. I'll be using this one because I don't want my under eyes to be too bright. Okay, you go on, you press it. Okay, press it. Okay, you do the same here. Okay, you blend your neck. See, one thing you need to know is that most of you see that your makeup is different from your body because you are not using the right foundation. Yes, and you are not using the right powder palettes for your makeup. Okay, so after, when you are doing your makeup like that, you should be doing all this place as well, because some of your makeup is different from your body. I don't know if you understand. Shade, you contour your nose to make this place to look a little bit brighter, because I didn't use concealer. Because I don't have that time to start cleaning, doing too much. Okay, this one is Shane Glam, So this Shane Glam, I'm going to use it. Like for me, I like to use blush, so I just go a little bit of blush. You just blend, you blend. So it's how you are. If you take this thing down, it will not give you that shape of face that you're looking for. Is okay. I'm showing you guys. You just use it because I like blush. So I'll just be applying a little bit of my lip gloss with your eye pencil. After that, I go on with my mascara. This is my setting spray I normally use. I use like 2 different type of setting spray, but I'll be using this one first of all. This is my Kiko. This one is a new setting spray product. You see how it started and you see how it's going. Okay, have you trust the process? Is the process okay for you? Let me know in the comment section, and do not forget to share this video. Okay, it's not compulsory you must use 2 setting spray. Comes out really nice. So then again, I'll be using this other one. This spray, you need one of this. Yeah, oga pata. Using this, you go on with the other side. You can put it on your nose if you want your nose to be shiny. You can put it here. If you can put it here, anywhere. It's your face. At far, it's coming out nice. You see, everywhere is sparkling, right? So guys, let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. Ooh.